Air metal. Oh, that's right. I, David Hasselhoff, am supposedly a hero because of Baywatch and Knight Rider and the Berlin Wall. But I've found freedom with vaccination. You can too. Hoff off. What I'm looking for is to get life back to normal is the freedom to get vaccinated and to go around the world. Get vaccinated. The advice I can give to everyone in America and to the world and to Germany is get vaccinated. You can too. Hoff off. Air metal. Oh, that's right. I, David Hasselhoff, am supposedly a hero because of Baywatch and Knight Rider and the Berlin Wall. But I've found freedom with vaccination. You can too.